Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule auto shutdown for your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, to do this, what you have to do is just go to your search bar. In here, just type Task Scheduler and open this. And in here, what you need to do is, on the right hand side, under Action, just click on Create Basic Task. After that, this window will pop up. Just give it a name, Shutdown. And I'll not give any description, just click on next and select when you want this task to start. I'll select one time, then just click on next. After that, select the date and time when you want this task to happen. Just select the date and time right here whenever you want, and then just click on next, and then make sure to select start a program from here and click on next. Then you need to add a script. Give it the script a name, Shutdown, and under add arguments, add this. So /s space /f space /t space 0. And click on next. Then make sure everything is all right, especially your trigger time, and click on finish. And there you go. You have scheduled your shutdown. And basically that is how to schedule auto shutdown on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.